Hello and welcome. Today we'll solve the problems from exercise 21D on volume and surface area of a cylinder. In one of my previous videos, we have discussed about the cylinders and polyhedron. A cylinder is not a polyhedron because this is not made up of polygonal faces. This video includes the timestamps. You can directly watch the specific part of the video or specific question number of this chapter 21D. There are two types of cylinders. One is right cylinder and another type is the oblique cylinder. In right cylinder, here you can see this is one of the base faces of the cylinder and this is another base of the cylinder. And this is the center of this base and this is the center of the opposite base face. The line segment joining these two centers is called the axis of the cylinder. And this axis is perpendicular to the plane of the base, and that is why it is called a right cylinder, because this angle is right angle. And in case of an oblique cylinder, you can see the axis is not at right angle to the plane of the base, so this is called the oblique cylinder because the axis or side of the cylinder is in oblique or slanted position. Now the cross section of a cylinder, this is a cylinder and this is the axis of the cylinder, and this is one of the base face of the cylinder. This is the face opposite to the previous face or previous base. And if we consider a plane perpendicular to the axis, then this plane, if we cut this, then you will get a section which is again a circular section, and this is the cross section along the cutting plane. So this is the plane number 1. Now if we consider the second plane, cutting plane, then if we cut this cylinder, then you will get again the cross section of the cylinder, which is again the circular cross section of the cylinder. So the cross section is same circular like that of the base of the cylinder. This is the circular cross section of the cylinder. Now we have to learn about the area of the cross section. This is the cylinder and this is the cross section of the cylinder or the base section of the cylinder, and it has some area. Since the cross section is circular, it has some diameter and radius, and this is the diameter of the circular cross section or circular base, and radius is half the diameter, and therefore the area of cross section of the cylinder is equal to pi r square. That is the area of the circle. And again the area of the opposite base is also pi r square. So the total area of these two bases are equal to 2 times pi r square, area of the two bases of the cylinder. Now what is the height of the cylinder? This is the height of the cylinder. The distance between the two opposite faces, perpendicular distance, is called the height of the cylinder. Now the perimeter of the cross section. Since the cross section is circular, therefore the perimeter is equal to twice pi r, or is equal to pi d, because twice r is equal to the diameter of the circle. Now area of the curved surface. This surface is called a curved surface. Now what is the area of the curved surface? In the net of the solid, we have learned that if we open this curved surface, then we get a rectangular section, and the length of this rectangular section L is equal to twice pi r, the perimeter of the circle. And since this is a cylinder, then height of the cylinder is equal to the breadth of this rectangular section. Now what is the area of the curved surface? That is equal to length, which is equal to twice pi r multiplied by breadth, and in this case the breadth is equal to height of the cylinder. So the area of the curved surface is equal to twice pi r multiplied by the height of the cylinder. Now what is the total surface area of the cylinder? Total surface area, this area, twice pi r h plus twice pi r square, the area of the two base faces of the cylinder. Now the volume of the cylinder. The volume of the cylinder is equal to cross-sectional area pi r square multiplied by the height of the cylinder, which is equal to h. So this is the volume of the cylinder. Pi r square, the area of the cross-section of the cylinder multiplied by the height of the cylinder. Okay, let us start from question number 1. The height of a circular cylinder is 20 cm and the diameter of the base is 14 cm. Find its volume and the total surface area. Suppose this is the cylinder. This is the bottom base and it has the area of pi r square, and this is the top base and this also has the area of pi r square, and this is the area of curved surface which has a length of L and breadth of B, and here the length is equal to twice pi r, the perimeter of the circular section, and breadth is equal to height h of the cylinder. So it is given that diameter of the base D is equal to 14 cm. So the radius of the base of the cylinder is equal to r, and that is half of D is equal to 7 cm. Now height of the cylinder is given, that is equal to h equal to 20 cm. Therefore number 1 is volume V is equal to cross-sectional area multiplied by the height of the cylinder, and cross-sectional area is pi r square and height is equal to h. So if you put the values, then pi equal to 22 by 7, r square is 7 into 7, and height is equal to h, that is 20. So this is centimeter cube. If you simplify, it will be 3080 centimeter square. Sorry, this is centimeter cube. Number 2, total surface area of the cylinder. So this is twice pi square, the area of the two circular sections, and twice pi r multiplied by h. This is the area of the curved section, and the total area is equal to, if you take twice pi r common, then this is r plus h, and if you put the values, twice pi is 22 by 7, r is 7 cm, and r plus h is 7 plus 20 cm. So 7 get cancelled, and you will get the value of 1188 centimeter square, the total surface area of the cylinder. Now question number 2. Find the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder whose height is 15 centimeter and the diameter of the cross section is 14 centimeter. Suppose this is the cylinder, or although it is in inclined position, but still this is a right circular cylinder because this angle is 90 degree. So height of the cylinder h is equal to 15 centimeter and diameter of the cross section of the cylinder is 14 centimeter. Therefore the radius of the circular cross section is equal to d divided by 2 equal to 7 centimeter. So therefore curved surface area is equal to twice pi r, the perimeter of the circular section, multiplied by the height of the cylinder, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7. R is equal to 7 centimeter and h is equal to 15 centimeter. So 7 get cancelled, that is equal to 660 centimeter square. So this is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Question number 3. Find the height of the cylinder whose radius is 7 centimeter and the total surface area is 1100 centimeter square. Okay, h is equal to, we have to find h, and the radius of the circular section r is equal to 7 centimeter. So the total surface area is equal to surface area of these circular sections, that is 2 times pi r square plus twice pi r curve section area multiplied by h. So this is equal to twice pi r common, then r plus h, and this value is given, that is equal to 1100 centimeter square. R plus h is equal to 1100 divided by twice pi r centimeter square. 1100 centimeter square. The value of pi will put 222 by 7, and value of r, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Is centimeter square will be centimeter, and 7 get cancelled. 11 2s are 22, and this is 11 100. So 250 and 225, and that is equal to 25 centimeter r plus h, and therefore r plus h is equal to 25 centimeter. So we have to find the value of h. H is equal to 25 centimeter minus r, that is equal to 25 centimeter minus r is given, that is 7 centimeter. This is equal to 18 centimeter. So the height h equal to 18 centimeter. Now question number 4. The curved surface area of a cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So this is the curved surface area. Height h is equal to 14 centimeter, and curved surface area, that is equal to twice pi r into h is equal to 88 centimeter square. Twice r is equal to 88 centimeter square divided by pi h. And what is twice r? That is the diameter of the base circle, that is equal to 88 centimeter square divided by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by h. Height is 14 centimeter. So centimeter square centimeter. 7 2s are 14. 22 4s are 88. And 2 2s are 4. So this is equal to 2 centimeter. So diameter of the base circle is 2 centimeter. Question number 5. The ratio between the curved surface area and the total surface area of a cylinder is 1:2. Find the ratio between the height and the radius of this. So let curved surface area is equal to S1 and total surface area is equal to S2. Now S1 is equal to twice pi r into h, and S2 is equal to twice pi r squared plus twice pi r h, that is equal to twice pi r common and r plus h. And according to the question, S1 is to S2 is equal to 1:2. Therefore S1 divided by S2 is equal to 1 divided by 2, and therefore S1 is twice pi RH divided by twice pi r into r plus h is equal to 1 by 2. Twice pi cancel, r cancel, and that is equal to h divided by r plus h, is equal to 1 divided by 2. So R plus H is equal to twice H. This is cross multiplication. Therefore, R is equal to H. So from this we can write R divided by H is equal to 1, or we can say H divided by R is equal to 1. And what does it mean? H is to R is equal to 1 is to 1. So find the ratio between the height and the radius of the cylinder. So this ratio is 1 is to 1. So question number 6. Find the capacity of a cylindrical container with internal diameter 28 cm and height 20 cm. And this is the container where the diameter D is equal to 28 cm and the height of the cylinder H is equal to 20 cm. So radius, internal radius R is equal to 28 divided by 2 cm, that is equal to 14 cm, and H, the height, is equal to 20 cm. These are all internal dimensions. So capacity of the cylinder is equal to internal volume of the cylinder. Now these are all internal dimensions. So internal volume is equal to pi r square, the area of the base circle multiplied by the height of the cylinder. So this is equal to 22 divided by 7 multiplied by r. R is equal to 14 into 14 centimeters square multiplied by H is equal to 20 centimeter, and this is equal to 7 to the this. And if you multiply this, you should get this value. Okay, question number 7. The total surface area of a cylinder is 6512 cm square and the circumference of its base is 88 cm. Find its radius and its volume. So what is given? Total surface area is equal to twice pi r square plus twice pi r into h. This is equal to twice pi r common, r plus h is equal to 6512 centimeters square. Now again, the circumference of its base, that means the perimeter, that is twice pi r is equal to 88 centimeter. So from this we get r is equal to 88 centimeter divided by twice pi, and this is equal to 44 divided by 22 divided by 7, 44 twos. So this will become 14 centimeter. R is equal to 14 centimeter. So in this equation we can write twice pi r. This value is 88 centimeter. So 88 centimeter into r plus h is equal to 6512 centimeters square. So from here r plus h is equal to 6512 centimeters square divided by 88 centimeter. 8 11s are 88 and 8 8s are 64, then 8 1 and 8 4. So again 11 7s are 77 and 11s 4 are 44. So this is equal to 74 centimeter, and this is r plus h. So r is equal to 14 centimeters. So therefore h is equal to 74 centimeter minus r, that is equal to 74 centimeter minus r equal to 14 centimeter equal to 60 centimeter. Height is equal to 60 centimeter. So we have to find, this is actually number 1 and number 2 is the volume. So volume is equal to pi r square into h, and pi is 22 by 7. R is equal to 14 into 14 centimeter square multiplied by h equal to 60 centimeter. So 7 2s are 14. This is equal to. Now question number 8. The sum of radius of the height of a cylinder is 37 centimeter and the total surface area of the cylinder is 1628 centimeter square. Find the height and the volume of the cylinder. So sum of the radius and height of the cylinder. So this is the radius and this is the height of the cylinder. It is given r plus h is equal to 37 centimeter. Then again the total surface area of the cylinder is this much. So total surface area equal to twice pi r common, r plus h. This is the total surface area, that is equal to 1628 centimeter square. So twice pi r is equal to 1628 divided by r plus 8 centimeter square, and actually this will be centimeter, is equal to 1628 divided by r plus h is 37 centimeter. This is centimeter square, so centimeter, and this is equal to 44 centimeter, and therefore r is equal to 44 centimeter divided by twice pi. So this is equal to 44 divided by 2 into 22 into 7 centimeter, 22 2. This is equal to 7 centimeter. Radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Now we have to find the height. Now it is given r plus h is equal to 37 centimeter. Therefore h is equal to 37 centimeter minus r is equal to 7 centimeter, and this is equal to 30 centimeter. So height is 30 centimeter. Now we have to find out the volume. So volume of the cylinder is pi r square into h, that is equal to 22 divided by 7. R is 7 into 7 centimeter square into h equal to 30 centimeter. 7 cancelled, is equal to 4620 centimeter cube. Question number 9. A cylindrical pillar has radius 21 centimeter and height 4 meter. Find the curved surface area of the pillar. Number 2. Cost of polishing 36 such cylindrical pillars at the rate of rupees 12 per meter square. So the pillar has the radius of 21 centimeter and height of the pillar, cylindrical pillar, is 4 meter, and this is equal to 400 centimeter. The curved surface area is equal to twice pi r into h. This is equal to twice pi r is equal to 21 into h is equal to 400 centimeter square, is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 400 centimeter square is equal to 7 3s are 21, is equal to 6 into 22 into 400 centimeter square. Area of 36 pillars is equal to 36 multiplied by 6 into 22 into 400 centimeters square is equal to 636 into 6 into 22 into 400 divided by 100 into 100 in meter square. We convert it into meter square. 0 0 0 0 cancel, 4 25s are 100, and this is equal to 36 into 6 into 22 divided by 25 meter square. This is equal to 190.08 meters square. Now we have to find out the cost of polishing 36 cylindrical pillars at the rate of rupees 12 per meter square. So rupees 12 per meter square, and the total meter square is equal to 190.08. So this is the amount of cost, and that is equal to rupees 2,280.96 cost of polishing. Question number 10, the last question. If radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 4:3 and their heights are in the ratio 5:6, find the ratio of their curved surfaces. So there are two cylinders, cylinder 1 and cylinder 2. Suppose for cylinder 1, radius is equal to R1, and for cylinder 2, radius is R2, and height of cylinder 1 is equal to H1 and height of cylinder 2 is H2, and curved surface area of cylinder 1 is equal to S1 and cylinder 2 is S2. So S1 divided by S2, curved surface area of cylinder 1 is equal to twice by R1 H1 divided by curved surface area of cylinder 2 is twice by R2 H2. So twice by cancel. This is equal to R1 divided by R2, and according to the question, the radii of two cylinders are in ratio 4:3. That means R1 is to R2 is equal to 4:3. So therefore R1 divided by R2 is equal to 4 divided by 3, and heights are in the ratio 5:6. So H1 is to H2 is equal to 5:6. Therefore H1 divided by H2 is equal to 5 divided by 6. So you can put this value, R1 divided by R2 is equal to R1 divided by R2 multiplied by H1 divided by H2, and R1 divided by R2 is 4 divided by 3, and H1 divided by H2 is 5 divided by 6. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and this is equal to 10 divided by 9. Therefore S1 is to S2 is equal to 10:9. This is the ratio of the curved surfaces of the two cylinders. So this completes the chapter 21D. So thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll solve the problems from exercise 21E on mixed practices.